Thank you so much for agreeing to this interview. I will be asking a few questions and please answer them as honestly as you can. So before we start, can you please introduce yourself?
So I'm Najiri Abdullah, 19 years old, first year college from President Quirino, Sultan Kudarat.
Can you identify the issue or concern being addressed by the initiative in your community?
The issue addressed by Brigada Escuela in our community is the poor condition of some classroom and the need for better cleanliness in the school. Some areas are needed to be repaired and have some proper maintenance so the student can have a better place to learn.
Mm. So, what was done to address this issue or concern?
To deal with these, parents, students, and teachers work together during Brigada Escuela. We help clean the classrooms, fix and arrange chairs, repaint some parts of the school, and improve the overall environment.
Mm. In relation to your answer in question number 2, were you or your family consulted on any possible solutions to such issues?
Yes, we're consulted. We're informed in advance and about the activity and what materials to be bring and how we could help.
Hmm. Have you and your family participated in a similar activity in the past?
No, I've only joined in similar activities before, especially as Brigada Escuela.
Okay, thank you so much for this interview and goodbye.